Hello everyone, so we'll be starting with our guitar lesson series from today. I'm assuming you are totally a beginner, so we'll start with the very basic exercises and gradually we'll be moving toward our intermediate and advanced level also. So this is called pick or plectrum. Generally we hold it like this. We make a plus sign of our fingers and pick is in between our fingers. So this is the one style. Second style is just like close our hand. So pick is here. So our right hand is always placed on drum bridge. Okay, so this is called drum bridge. Our right hand is always placed on a drum bridge. So now we'll start with our exercise. So first of all, you need to know the names of the strings. So this is called our E1 string. This is our B2 string. This is our G3 string. This is our D4 string. This is our A5 and this is our E6. Okay, so now like I told you, right hand is always on a drum bridge. So this stroke is called down and this stroke is called up. So on our topmost E string, E6, so we'll play down. On our next, which is A5, we will play up. On our next string, which is D4, we'll play down. On our next G3, we'll play up. The next B2 will play down. On the last E1 string, we play up. So this is called alternative picking exercise. So we always start with the right hand exercise. Okay, so down, up, down, up, down, up. So this was 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now we will move from bottom to top, which will be E1, B2, G3, D4, A5, E6. Now again I am playing down, up, down, up, down. So we will combine both of them. Down, up, down, up, down.